Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Mon Chawin, where we level up your creative workflow. If you're working on building your graphic design skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got tons of tips and tricks to share with you. So as you saw at the beginning of the video, today we're adding some magic to your text or logo by giving it a cool, eye-catching 3D twist. It's called the cylinder warp text effect. A super slick trick that makes beginners look like pros, literally in just a few clicks. All right, ready? Let's dive in. First, type the word you want to use. In this demo, I'll go with Chawin. That's my name. But of course, you can use any word you like. From my testing, this effect tends to work better with sans serif fonts. They're just easier to read when warped. But feel free to experiment and pick what suits your project best. Now go to the Symbols panel. If you don't see it, head up to Window greater than Symbols. Boom, there it is. Next, drag your text into the Symbols panel to turn it into a symbol. Then, we're going to build a cylinder shape that we can map our symbol onto. Create any shape. Then go to Effect. 3D and Materials. 3D, Classic. Revolve, Classic. Boom, Instant Cylinder. Now go to Map Art. Change the surface to 3 of 3, so we're working on the side view. Select the symbol you just made and adjust its position and size to fit the surface. I'll tilt mine as a demo, but if you want to fill the entire space easily, hit Scale to fit. Want to try again? Hit Clear and load a new symbol. Rotate, drag, resize, get creative with it. Once you like what you see, check the invisible geometry box. This hides the 3D shape, leaving only your text visible. Now click OK and adjust the angle of your text to find the best view. It can be a bit tricky. Aim for a perspective where at least 60 to 70% of your text is readable. It'll help communicate your design more clearly. Don't love the angle? You can always go back into Map Art and tweak it again. All right, I'm happy with this angle. Let's move on. Time to break apart the letters and add color. Go to Object greater than Expand Appearance to convert the 3D object into editable shapes. Then use the Pathfinder. Separate to split the shapes. Here's a pro tip. Copy this version and don't move anything just yet. We're going to isolate the front and back sides of the design. Group the pieces first to keep things organized. Then delete the back part. Now hit Unite and use Command+F or Ctrl+F to paste the copied shape right back into the same position. You've now got the backside separated. Almost done. Now go ahead and add the colors you like. Using a gradient can really add depth and dimension to your design. I personally prefer using lighter colors on the inside to keep it easy on the eyes. And that's it. You're all done. If you forget any steps, feel free to save this video and re-watch anytime. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.